In this video, I will show you how to create an image reflection in Photoshop. Use the crop tool to drag the image down and increase the canvas size. Use the rectangle marquee tool to make a selection. Right-click and select Fill with Content Aware. Use the Quick Selection tool. Select Subject, then right-click and choose Layer via Copy. Click this icon to add a layer mask and right-click to choose Free Transform. Right-click again and select Flip Vertical. Use the transparent gradient to fade the flipped image and reduce the opacity to around 50%. From the filter menu, choose Blur and Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur intensity to how you like the reflection to be. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I release a new video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next tutorial.